Hello. Welcome back to another lovely video today. I hope you all are doing great. Before I start off anything, I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day today. I hope that our mental is getting better. Today we are doing my little sister's hair, and do y'all see how much hair this girl has? Do y'all see how much hair she has? It's ridiculous. She's so inconsiderate of my time. But I love doing her hair because it teaches me a lot. I don't have this much hair on my head, so I'm definitely learning a lot of things. And the thickness in her hair, oh my goodness, y'all. I was parting. I don't even think Moses could have got this to part. I'm telling you, it was so thick. It was so long. I just couldn't. But I eventually got it. I don't understand how she wakes up every morning without sweating at the roots. She just has too much hair. Right about here is where I eventually gave up trying to do a straight down the middle part. So I was like, girl, let's just put this into 4 parts. So I'm going side to side, separating it into 4 parts, because the middle part, I don't know if it was me, but it's like the more I parted her hair over and over again down the middle, the more hair that just appeared out of nowhere. It was hurting me, and I couldn't take it anymore. So I was just like, we're going to do it from the side. And maybe if we do side parts, like 4 spaces, we can go through the hair much faster, which usually doing the hair in 4 squares usually helps me move a lot faster. And she was on a time schedule. She had basketball practice around 2 o'clock. And right now it's probably like, I think it was like 9:30. No, it was 10 o'clock. Y'all, how about in the middle of braiding her hair, this girl got the nerves to sit here and say some woo what? Woo what, baby? Because it seemed like I'm putting in all the hard work. My arms tired, my fingers hurt. Woo what? Woo what? Alrighty, right around this time, it's probably like 10:30 now. I am just now getting to a section where I can start putting the braids into her hair to latch the locks onto. And what I was going to do is do the back all braids. Don't touch the front. Go ahead, do the back all braids, and then attach the locks. Put the locks in the back. Then, do the edges in the front. So in case we are behind time and 2 o'clock approaches, we're there. Do y'all see how long and luscious her hair is? I am super, super jealous. I got the thickness in the hair, and y'all, my hair used to be long. I just put a perm in it, and the perm took my hair out. So, I'll get back there one day, though, but don't be messing with them perms, y'all. If they work good on your hair, use them. I ain't telling you not to, but for me, I got the thickness. I put a perm in. It's very thin, and it's looking brittle, so I learned my lesson. I'm never doing those ever again. Ever. twist. She came back around 4, 5-ish. I want to say 5, and we got those through. We got those powered through because Mama was sitting outside, and Mama did not like waiting. So it's looking beautiful. It's looking nice. She said they weren't heavy. They weren't tight. And plus, when I do these soft locks, I make sure I never attach them directly at the root. Only in the back is when I do that. But I'm loving it. I love and appreciate every last one of you. Thank you all so much for supporting me. It means so much to me that this channel is growing. Love you.
I gotta say